Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Durumbepo. Today's video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how you can do your facials at home by yourself, since that is where we all are at the moment. These are the things I'll be using: tea tree oil, a facial brush, vitamin C facial scrub, and facial wash. You can basically use anything, and this tool right here is the magic that we're going to be using in this video. And these are basically my scrub and my exfoliator that I made myself. I usually make these things myself because, you know, it's easier and cheap. First of all, I'm going to show you guys how my face looks like before we dive into the action. I have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads, and my face is basically just rough, and that is because I haven't done a facial since this year started. First of all, I'm going to start by making my face a little bit wet, and I start applying the exfoliator I made myself on my skin, and just, you know, focusing on my problem areas and just gently massaging it into my skin. You have to be careful with this part because you don't want your face to start reacting. So yeah, I just massage. Basically just keep scrubbing to make sure, you know, everything that is not pure on my face comes out. And this process makes my face really soft. Without washing my face, I steam my face for about 5 minutes. Yeah. Then I come out, look at the mirror, come back, clean it, dab it with paper towel. Yeah, dip my face again, this time with just honey. Come out looking beautiful. Yeah, showing you guys my cute face, just to show you guys how on fire my face is. Yeah. Then I sterilized the tool that we're going to be using, the extractor. And also, I'd advise you do this process if you're really scared about, you know, just steaming your face. You can just use your towel and, you know, just massage your face with the hot water instead of just dipping your face into the water. But for a better result, I'd say you do both. Like, you do the both, just using the towel and steaming your face. You do the two of them instead of just choosing one. This way you're sure that your face is soft enough. So this tool, I got it from my beautician's place. I don't know where you can get it from, but I think you can check Amazon or Jumia. I don't know, you can just check one of those places, but I really don't know where you can get it from. I personally got mine from this beauty store, like where I do my facials. I got it from there. And if you get irritated easily, I'd advise you don't watch this part because it's about to get nasty. I just keep pressing my jaw to bring out more things because that is part of my problem area. So I keep pressing using the extractor. It's advisable you use the extractor actually, because it's better, and you know, you don't have irritations and all that when you use the extractor. Before I started using an extractor, I used to use my hands, and I used to realize that I used to have like a lot of irritations on my face. I never really knew why, but I realized later when I started doing my facials a few years ago that was because I was always using my hands, and you're not meant to use your fingers, you're meant to use a tool. And my sister decided to help me, but she wanted to remove my face. Basically, it wasn't a help, it was an attempt to remove my face. And I started crying. Then I took my sword back. You see me? I took my sword back and I continued myself because I can't die. It was really painful, honestly. Like, my My jaw wasn't as painful as doing the nose because, you know, I don't know why, but that place hurts more than any other place on my face. Drink water, guys. Drink water. Water is a essential. You gotta drink it. Drink water, okay? My face is really rough and rugged because, like I said, I haven't done my facials in like 3 months, so it's really rough, guys. Really rough and nasty. So I had to like dig in. Then I usually go around my mouth because I also have like a lot of white heads and black heads there. I go around my mouth and I just like, you know, just extract the black heads and the white heads there. And I go to my forehead and I don't really have so much there, but some things came out. So you guys, you don't have to do your forehead if you're really sure you don't have anything there. But I literally have whiteheads everywhere on my face. So yeah, and I go in using my scrub. This scrub I made myself, and I've been using it for some years, and I can literally swear by the scrub. It does magic. And every other person that has used the scrub before, like my friends and everyone, they can swear by this scrub. This scrub is magic. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how to make the scrub, let me know in the comment section and I'll do it. So I basically just keep, you know, massaging my face with my facial brush. Then I go in with the vitamin C peel off mask. This mask is literally bomb because it removes all the dirt and, you know, it just helps your face become more vibrant and just more shiny and beautiful looking, glowy skin, that type of thing. So this is literally everything that came out from my face, me looking all cute. Then I use this is what I use on my face. I use this as a facial wash every day, and it can also pass as an exfoliator. So yeah, I use this also to just, you know, wash my face, and just exfoliate the remaining parts and just remove the blackheads that didn't leave before, because it's almost impossible to remove everything in one day. So yeah, I just massage it into my face and just scrub it properly. I wash my face. Oh, look at that cutie. Fine girl. Then I use my paper towel. Don't rub, guys. Don't rub. Just pat on your face, because when you rub, you might actually get an irritation. So yeah. We're done with the skincare, and I'm just going to apply my normal skincare things, my toner and my oil. Yeah, don't apply a toner that has alcohol in it because it could irritate your skin. My toner doesn't have anything alcoholic in it, so it's not harsh. So just make sure you're using a toner that isn't harsh, or just don't use a toner at all. But since mine is natural, I used it and I just pat it into my face so it could sit. And I also massage my face because my face has been through a lot. You've come to the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, this is everything that came out of my face. Nasty. Love you guys, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. I love you, and don't forget, new videos every Saturday. Mwah.